Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya and in today's video we are going to talk about lip balm. So let's get started. So the winter season is on guys and it's time for you to take care of your skin even more because of the dry and the cold harsh weather that is there outside. And all the ladies and gentlemen, guys and girls, if you still haven't made best friends with your lip balm, then it's time for you to do so. And to help you with that, I am going to recommend my top 6 favorite lip balms which are under rupees 500, which will solve all the problems of your chapped, flaky, cracked and dry lips. So without much further ado, let's get into this video. Starting this video, I want to tell you guys that there are two kinds of lip balms available in the market. The first is the tinted one and second are the transparent basic lip balms. Now for me personally, I do not believe in tinted lip balms because I have a dry skin. Though my lips are like normal only, they are not like that much dry or flaky, but when I do travel outside, they tend to get dry, red and itchy. So I personally find that tinted lip balms do nothing for me. People say that they provide best of the both worlds, but for me they don't even provide little of any of the world. So what I prefer personally is use a good moisturization lip balm and then use a lipstick over it. So you can have both moisturization and a good tint on your lips using separate products. And also second thing is that tinted lip balms do tend to put stains frequently on your glasses or on your dress because you have to reapply them, and that is like really turn off for me. So that's why I do not use tinted lip balm. So all the lip balms that I am going to recommend you in this video would be plain transparent lip balms that are foolproof and will help you solve all your problems for your dry lips in this winter season. So let's get started. So the first lip balm I'm going to recommend you is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Lip Balm, and I am in the Cocoa Butter variant, and this has like 4 or 5 variants available in the market, and I'm so happy to know that this lip balm is finally available in India because it was only available outside. So this lip balm wasn't available in India until recently, and I have grabbed my hands on these lip balms and I've tried it. And this lip balm is like an amazing lip balm that can solve all your dry and cracked lips problem. Now this lip balm has like very vanilla bitter fragrance to it, like how you get from the vanilla essence. It has same vanilla fragrance to it and it has such a unique and strong fragrance, and I really like this one. It's like a Korean lip balm, and as you can see it's very soft buttery texture to your skin and it glides like a butter onto your lips. Now this lip balm is like a mild thick lip balm. It's not too waxy, so it will just glide onto your skin like butter and would give you a very soft, plump and juicier lips. Also, you don't have to reapply this lip balm like every 2 or 3 hours, just 2 or 3 times a day consistently for the whole season, and you are good to go. So this is my first recommendation, the Vaseline Lip Therapy. The next lip balm that I am going to recommend you is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in berry version. There is also a plum version available and a larger size available, but I have gotten a smaller size. It is for 500 rupees for 8 gram of product. So this definitely is like a luxurious kind of a product because like 8 grams for 500 rupees is a bit steep compared to the good options available in the market. But this is also like one of the holy grails lip balm that has been in the market since like forever, and it would be really unjust for me to not to include it in this video. So this is the lip balm. It also has like a very fruity, sweet fruity fragrance to it, and it has such a nice pink mauve color which I haven't seen in any other lip balms. Now again, the consistency of this lip balm is very smooth and very creamy. It glides on your lips like butter, and it also takes a little bit of time to seep into your skin, but once it is in your skin, then you are also good for the day. Also, like, it's nothing kind of like a lip sleeping mask. It is like a normal lip balm, at least for me, but it does its job and definitely makes your lips a little bit plumpier. I have noticed by applying it like for 7 days straight, I have noticed that. So that is a big plus point of this lip balm. Also, you don't have to reapply it again and again, just 1 or 2 times a day and you're set for the entire day. So that's why I love this lip balm. Also, this one is my second recommendation, Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Next lip balm I'm going to recommend is the Body Shop Strawberry Lip Butter. Now this is also one of the most recommended products and really nice product for your lips. Now this is a tub and this contains like around 9 gram of product for around 250 rupees. And this has kind of like a white color to the lip balm, and as you can see, I have eaten up a lot of this lip balm because I love this lip balm. This also has one of very potent strawberry fragrance to it. Now coming to the texture of this lip balm. So this lip balm is not that creamy or smooth lip balm, but it does leaves a white cast, but it will just fade away after time you apply it. So it's more of like a thick waxy kind of a lip balm which would provide you a really good moisturization, and you only need to use it like once in a day because it's really thick and really like waxy and greasy, so would provide you a good moisturization to your lips and is highly recommended for people who have like very dry and cracked lips. This is another recommendation, the Body Shop Strawberry Lip Butter. I'm going to share with you is this Palmer's Shea Formula Raw Shea Balm. Now you would be saying that is this a lip balm? Yes, this is actually a balm, not specifically a lip balm, but this is like a raw shea balm, and it has shea butter, cocoa butter and vitamin E in it, which is like all you need in this winter season. And what I actually liked about this product was a multi-purpose balm like Vaseline. Any of your cracked lips or maybe dryness under your elbows, under your feet, on your knuckles, so it solves all your problem, and it's like a family kind of a tub lip balm which would last you like forever. And it's like one of my most favorite lip balm of all the 6 lip balms that I would recommend you. Now this is like a good shea butter lip balm. That is what you need in a lip balm. Now this is also like a very smooth and a creamy texture balm, and this also glides onto your skin like butter. It's a very like thin lip balm when you apply it to your lips, and is very moisturizing and would solve your dry lips problem like within 1 or 2 use. So this lip balm is very affordable, and it's like around 460 rupees for 100 gram of products, which will last you like forever. Also had like a smaller twist like kind of version available, but because Indian market people have like so overwhelming response here, so that actually got discontinued or is out of stock since like what 1 or 1.5 years. So I switched it to the tub version. So I like this lip balm. Now another lip balm that I am going to recommend is the Sebamed lip balm. Now this is a very nice day-to-day lip balm, everyday lip balm, which you can apply like every 2 or 3 hours frequently. So this lip balm is not as creamy or as smooth, it's more of like a waxy consistency of lip balm. See, so they'll just stay in the place where you apply it. So this lip balm is very nice if you want to apply over your lipstick, because it will not smudge the lipstick, because it's like a really thick and stays in your place. And also you can apply like every 2 or 3 hours. I won't recommend this lip balm for very heavily chapped and cracked lips, because this is not moisturizing lip balm, and that is what twisted lip balms are not meant for, that kind of purposes as well. So this is like a very good lip balm with no scent or fragrance at all. So this is my 5th recommendation. Recommendation is actually I have somewhere misplaced that lip balm. So for that I have the tinted version, that is the Burt's Bees tinted lip balm. Now there is like a original honey and like a mint variant also available, which is around 500 rupees on Amazon and around 570 rupees on Sephora. So now Burt's Bee lip balm is one of the holy grail product like outside India, and I was very excited when it was available in India on Sephora like 2 or 3 years back, and I tested them immediately, and actually there are like, it is like pure shea butter lip balm, and it is also like a thick waxy consistency which you can apply it like every 2 or 3 hours. So that is what I like about that lip balm, and it also is very like smooth and buttery. So that is my next recommendation. Now coming to some of the points that I want to clarify. Now many of you must be saying that these kind of like pot lip balms would be like very inconvenient to use because you have to dip your fingers in again in the tub or in the jar. But what I think is that these lip balms have more moisturizing characteristics to them, and that's why they cannot be formed into like a twisted version. Pot lip balms are more moisturizing and more hydrating than the stick lip balms, but both have their own different uses. Like stick lip balm, you can apply it like every 2 or 3 hours, but like pot lip balms, you can apply like 1 or 2 times a day and you're good to go. So I personally prefer pot lip balms because I apply like once in the day and at night before sleeping, and I'm good to go for the rest of the day. So that's why I tend to fall back to pot lip balms more, but I do tend like the Sebamed lip balms which you can apply like every 2 or 3 hours. So I use a combination of both kind of lip balms. So yes, these were all my recommendations for the lip balms. If you have any other recommendations, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you liked watching this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment down below and share it with your friends and family. Till then, see you in my next video. Till then, bye.